Assalamu alaikum. We are group 4. In this tutorial, we will discuss about Sustainable Development Goals 2, 3, 4 and also COVID-19 impact on these goals. Let's begin. Sustainable Development Goals. Goal 2. End hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. It is one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals established by the United Nations in 2015. SDG 2 highlights the complex interlinkages between food security, nutrition, rural transformation, and sustainable agriculture. Targets and indicators. SDG 2 has 8 targets and 14 indicators to measure progress. Target 2.1 Universal access to safe and nutritious food. Indicator 1 Prevalence of undernourishment. Indicator 2 Prevalence of moderate and severe food insecurity in the population based on the food insecurity experience scale. Target 2.2 End all forms of malnutrition. Indicator 1 Prevalence of stunting among children under 5 years of age. Indicator 2 Prevalence of malnutrition among children under 5 years of age by type, wasting and overweight. Target 2.3 Double the productivity and incomes of small scale food producers. Indicator 1 The volume of production per labor unit by classes of farming, pastoral, forestry, enterprise size. Indicator 2 Average income of small scale food producers by sex and indigenous status. Target 2.4 Sustainable food production and resilient agricultural practices. Indicator 1 Proportion of agricultural area under productive and sustainable agriculture. Target 2.5 Maintain the genetic diversity in food production. Indicator 1 Number of plant and animal genetic resources for food and agriculture secured in either medium or long-term conservation facilities. Indicator 2 Proportion of local breeds classified as being at risk, not at risk, or at the unknown level of risk of extinction. Target 2.8 Invest in rural infrastructure, agricultural research, technology, and gene banks. Indicator 1 Agriculture Orientation Index for Government Expenditures. Indicator 2 Total official flows, official development assistance plus other official flows to the agriculture sector. Target 2.b Prevent agricultural trade restrictions, market distortions, and export subsidies. Indicator 1 Producer support estimate. Indicator 2 Agricultural export subsidies. Target 2.c Ensure stable food commodity markets and timely access to information. Indicator 1 is an indicator of food price anomalies. Thank you.
Sustainable Development Goal 3, which is good health and well-being. According to United Nations, Sustainable Development Goal 3 stands for Ensure Healthy Lives and Promote Well-being for All at All Ages. It was established in 2015 by United Nations. Its main aim is to achieve universal health coverage that seeks equitable access of healthcare services to all men and women. So these are the targets of Sustainable Development Goal 3 showing in one image. There are 13 targets of Sustainable Development Goal 3. First is to reduce maternal mortality. Second is to end all preventable deaths under 5 years of age. Third is to fight communicable diseases. Fourth is to reduce mortality from non-communicable diseases and promote mental health. 5 is to prevent and treat substance abuse. 6 is to reduce road injuries and death. 7 is to universal access to sexual and reproductive care, family planning, and education. 8 is to achieve universal health coverage. 9 is to reduce illness and deaths from hazardous chemicals and pollution. 10 is to implement the WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco Control. 11 is to support research, development, and universal access to affordable vaccines and medicines. 12 is to increase health financing and support health workforce in developing countries. And 13 is to improve early warning systems for global health risk. Achievements of Sustainable Development Goal 3 in Bangladesh: over 50% decline in preventable child deaths, maternal mortality fell by 45%, HIV or AIDS infections fell by 30% between 2000 and 2013, Over 6.2 million lives were saved from malaria.
Now I discuss about the Sustainable Development Goal 4. This is quality education. These goals objectives are ensure inclusive and equitable education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. This goal consists of 7 targets and 12 indicators. Some targets are pre-primary and secondary education, early childhood, technical, vocational, tertiary and adult education, skills for work, equity, literacy and numeracy. And most important target is sustainable development and global citizenship. These targets are categorized into 3 divisions such as education facilities and learning environment, scholarship, teachers. Under the Sustainable Development Goal 4, Bangladesh takes some initiatives. These are established various education expansion programs. It's ensure 99% children enrollment, 73% literacy rate, 27% of youth aged 15 to 27 are not engaged in any form of education, employment, or training. Expanded education in rural areas. It include primary schooling, pre-primary, and overall participation in rural areas. The Bangladesh Ministry of Education established Bangladesh Bhavan. This building includes various amenities such as 415 capacity auditorium, museum, and library. It also has a research center, 2 seminar hall, and a cafeteria. The most important initiatives in Bangladesh governments are textbook celebration. It occurs annually, one to promote better education in Bangladesh. The festival provides students all across the country with free textbook.
COVID-19 pandemic has a huge impact on the Sustainable Development Goals in Bangladesh. Now we are going to show the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the Sustainable Development Goals. Impact of COVID-19 on Sustainable Development Goal 2 in Bangladesh. COVID-19 fuels hunger and poverty in Bangladesh. As the COVID-19 crisis unfurls, turmoils in domestic food supply chains, shocks in food production, and loss of incomes and remittances are creating strong tensions and food insecurity. According to a study conducted by Bangladesh Institute of Development Studies, 13% of people lost their jobs and 25.5 million new people joined the Extreme Poverty Club. South Asian Network on Economic Modeling, a think tank, projected that the poverty rate may escalate to 40.9%, pushing 16 million people below the poverty line. Around 4 lakh migrant workers from different countries had to return as income fell sharply due to the global crisis. Impact of COVID-19 on health system and Sustainable Development Goal 3. In this pandemic, mostly 90% people of Bangladesh has suffered economically, mentally, and physically. Mostly private hospitals failed to cure proper health care of COVID-19 patients. Almost 77.3% of patients receive health care facilities from private medicals. Many of them died without proper medical support. 218 relief-related corruption incidents from March 10, 2020 to June 15, 2020. Due to limited numbers of testing laboratories, kits, and uneven distribution of kits, people died undiagnosed with coronavirus symptoms. Now, impact of COVID-19 on Sustainable Development Goal 4. Since March 2020, school, college, university, and the other educational institutes of Bangladesh has been closed down. As a result, our education system is hampered, as well as increasing child labor, juvenile delinquent, students become drug addicted mostly, and loss of social harmony etc. are also occur. So here are the impacts of COVID-19 on Sustainable Development Goal 2, 3 and 4.
In the end, our leaders have committed to leave no one behind. Participation of everyone is needed to achieve all the goals. Creativity, financial resources, technology and knowledge from all the societies is needed to achieve all the sustainable development goals.